हेलो एवरीवन, आई होप आप सब बहुत ही अच्छा कर रहे हैं एंड आप अच्छे हैं। एंड आई थिंक मैंने काफ़ी दिनों बाद एक वीडियो रिलीज़ किया है। वेल दैट इज़ बिकॉज मैं काफ़ी दिनों से लाइव आ रही थी एंड लाइव आते हुए बेसिकली I thought ki I should be doing a video because I actually made a new friend and I wanted to introduce him to you. So let's watch this first.
मेरा एक डे जॉब है. आई हैव टू डू दैट डे जॉब इफ आई वांट टू गेम ऑन द साइड. एंड आई लव गेमिंग, सो आई हैव टू मेक द मनी फॉर इट. तो मैं जो काम करता हूँ वो ऐसे तो डिक्लेयर नहीं कर सकता, बिकॉज इट्स सॉर्ट ऑफ अ लो प्रोफाइल जॉब.
Oh.
But my introduction is coming up soon, and that's where I'll be able to reveal a few more secrets. But what I do is use a lot of my brain to solve difficult puzzles or problems, I would say.
बातचीत के दौरान काफ़ी चीज़ें पता चली. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि वी हैव सिमिलर इंटरेस्ट एंड दैट वाज अमेजिंग बिकॉज दैट इज़ समथिंग जो मुझे बाकी यूट्यूबर्स में अभी तक तो नहीं मिला है. बट देर इज़ वन थिंग जो काफ़ी सिमिलर है. आई मीन नॉट जस्ट वन थिंग बट लॉट ऑफ थिंग इज़ स्टार्टिंग विथ let's say anime. So watch this.
One of my favorite animes that I started with, उसका नाम और मेरा नाम बिल्कुल सेम है, which is Akira.
Aki, oh my
Mm-hmm.
god, that's like one of my favorite. That's like
Oh,
the vintage, like, because I like mecha anime, right?
right.
And we went on to talk about our favorite anime and how do we get into anime, and listen to what he said.
All-time classic favorite is Cowboy Bebop. मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
Wow! Oh my
Mm-hmm.
god, yes, I do too.
मुझे ये पसंद है कि वो सीरीज हैंड होल्डिंग नहीं करती बिल्कुल. It just pulls you in their world. It doesn't explain much, but
Yeah.
every episode it reveals a little bit, and
Hmm.
post that 26th episode you're done. I
Yeah.
mean, you could want more, but you're not getting more, and that's, I think,
Yeah.
that was beautiful about that series.
मुझे लाइक हमेशा ही पसंद था, जैसे मैंने पहले बताया, जैसे मुझे मेका
Right.
एनिमेज बहुत पसंद थे. तो लाइक ऑल दिस मैक्रोस, अकीरा, पैटलाबोर. तो उस तरह का,
Oh,
या सो दिस एंड अकीरा, द फर्स्ट टाइम आई वॉच्ड इट आई वाज probably in like 5th grade. I thought it was like a kind of like a horror kind of thing because the alien thing, it was just too new to
huh,
me.
definitely it's not meant for somebody who's in the fifth standard.
Yeah, it.
But I mean, Akira also, जब मैंने उसे देखा तो उसके बाद एक स्टैंडर्ड सेट हो गया मेरे लिए एनिमे का. और फिर it was difficult for any anime to match up for a long time.
Oh.
Akira and I think a lot of Hayao Miyazaki films.
Ah,
Mhm.
yes, the Ghibli
The
movies.
Ghibli one.
Yeah. True. I think Ghibli movie में बताओ तो I think I watched it along with my parents. So it's such, I don't
It's
know,
good
it's
memories.
calming.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah,
जब
yeah.
आप उन फिल्मों की बात करते हैं तो you always remember good parts from your life. Oh,
Huh.
people are saying Akira Toriyama. Well, all my
Toriyama,
respect to
Dragon Ball
him.
Z.
All my respect to Toriyama sensei.
If anyone got into like Dragon Ball Z, like, or into anime rather, I think Dragon Ball
Hmm.
Z was the first anime. The
Oh
first
yeah.
anime. And उस टाइम पे टीवी पे लाइक वो एपिसोड्स दिखाते थे, स्टोरी नहीं पता है. इट्स लाइक फाइट्स हो रही हैं, ठीक है, एक हफ्ते चलेगी, बट लाइक यू डोंट नो व्हाट द होल प्लॉट इज एंड यू जस्ट वॉच
Right.
इट. एंड हमने पेंडेमिक की बात भी की थी. आई फील लाइक एकदम से आफ्टर द पेंडेमिक इट जस्ट बिकेम सो मच, like it trended so much that a lot of people
Yes.
were aware of it. तो आई थिंक एंड कई लोग एनिमे भी उस टाइम पे आए थे, जहाँ तक मुझे लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल.
बहुत सारे. Actually,
या.
मुझे लगता है कि people started catching up on the big ones that they couldn't otherwise. जैसे One Piece या Attack on Titan या all the ones that take a lot of time in your
या.
daily routine and you can't catch up on those. I think मैंने तो बहुत binge किया लॉकडाउन के वक्त. Unfortunately, my work suffered, but that's okay.
But I
Saw a
guess
lot of anime, no
that's
regrets.
true. That's true. Like pandemic was like, it's for some people like it was just so stressful.
Yeah.
It's for me as well. It's like, if you're graduating or you graduated or you're doing something, it's suddenly you're like, whoa, what do we do now? Because it's pandemic, everything's just shut down. And well, जैसे कि he also talked about Cowboy Bebop and that's amazing because it's his favorite anime. But एक चीज़, एक फैक्ट थी जो not even he knew. And it's amazing because I knew about this fact and it's his favorite anime.
I got to know the whole anime was basically made because Bandai wanted to send like they wanted to sell a toy spaceship.
Oh,
उसके वजह से ये पूरा anime बना है. Imagine that.
wow.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. That's so
Yeah.
cool.
I
And I'm so
know.
happy that, I mean, whatever they wanted or whatever their intention was, what they ended up creating was timeless.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah. So yeah, that is one of like it's rare like people talk about it because it just if you watch these animes from like the 80s and 90s, they have such a foreshadowing of future. I mean,
Yeah.
so there's this one
Yeah.
about Macross Plus, I guess. If it's not plus, it's zero. So it's
Right.
about this virtual star, like a virtual idol,
Right.
and that exists right now, and it's crazy.
Right.
So, yeah.
They had a very beautiful vision, और मुझे ये भी पसंद था कि they would translate that vision really nicely. I mean, the visuals that they would use or the technology that they would try to envision at that point in time, it just works even now.
Yeah.
So those animes stay relevant.
They
बहुत
do.
बहुत सोच समझकर बनाई गई चीजें थी, and that is why I think you can always recommend them to anybody regardless of their age.
एंड मैंने कई बार एनिमे फैंडम्स की भी बात की है, जैसे काफ़ी बार एनिमे फैंडम जो होता है, जो फैंस होते हैं काफ़ी टॉक्सिक हो जाते हैं. एंड आकिरा ऑल्सो हैड समथिंग टू से ऑन दैट. एंड आई थिंक हम दोनों एक ही बात पे ज़रूर अग्री करते हैं, एंड इट इज़ दिस.
आपका अप्रोच क्या है उससे बहुत फर्क पड़ जाता है. There are purists, there are cultists, there are people of all sorts.
Oh my God, yes.
And I like the fact कि आपको कोई एनिमे इतना पसंद है कि आपको उससे बेटर कोई एनिमे लगता नहीं है. But if you're introducing it to somebody, I think you should just talk about the things that you like about it, and then let the person decide.
That's
And
true.
if they are anything like you, they'll definitely pick on what you liked about the anime, और उन्हें भी वो बहुत पसंद आएगा. But if
Yeah.
you force it, there's a chance that they might be slightly turned off about it.
That happens, and that has happened to me actually because I remember like a lot of people going around, especially for some popular anime, and they would like be like, that anime
Right.
you watched it, well, you should watch this because it's better. I should be probably the only judge to see what is better because har kisi ke
Yeah.
liye it's a different experience, right? So I wish like people
Right.
understood that more.
Don't be that person. Don't be that person.
And हमेशा से मुझे
I
लगता
think
है
we need to make it a wholesome community, and I think as creators or as community representatives, we should all just try to make wholesome communities that welcome all points of view.
एंड सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा तो तब आया कि कई लोगों को लगा कि हिज वॉइस बेसिकली साउंड्स वेरी एआई, मतलब आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस लोग कहते हैं, तो कई लोगों ने ये भी बोला था. बट well, Akira tried doing an AI and this was really fun, so watch this.
like say something be like those AI voice.
a robot computing.
Yeah, I think that would be like we're just proving he's not AI, okay? Just see, this
Yeah,
is like
I mean,
the
I
trick
can
about
try and keep throwing my voice around. Am
Yeah.
I an AI or am I real?
whoa.
And well, because we do like games, and I'm not gonna say I'm a pro at it, but I feel like he is pro at it, and well, he does it at different jobs. So this is what he talked to us about it, basically talked to me about it. So let's watch this.
You play games as well, right?
I do, and it's like it's kind of different because, and I'm pretty happy that you here because you can probably introduce me to other games. Because जो games खेलती हूँ वो काफी like it's like not really something like everyone plays. People like I do like motorsport, autosport. It's Formula One. And when I was
Oh.
so Formula One Motorsport has this really nice official game that they have. I think horror games I just got into it because like I
Oh.
remember I got this request कि किसी ने इसमें
Horror game खेलो.
like they were like you should play this, and I'm like okay,
Spooky.
because I told them that I don't really get scared that easy. Yeah, so I was like, okay. It's just that, if you, that's the thing about like horror movies as well. If you mute them, you don't feel scared at all.
That's funny.
I know.
Well, I am, really get scared easily और मुझसे horror games खेले नहीं जाते मुझे बहुत डर लगता है
Okay, that's the
um,
next thing we're doing together. I know कि there are a lot of other games like Genshin, but I was always afraid of getting into it. I'll tell you why. So,
Right.
मुझे जैसे पता था कि जितने लोगों से मैंने interact किया था, they were like, oh, you know, we are the OG, कि हमने पहले से start किया है, and you have to like reach
Okay.
the level. So it felt like, you know, the game studio, whatever, it's like it's more towards the loyalists जो उन्होंने पहले से join किया था, and you're like you feel like somehow alienated. So जब तक आपको पता नहीं होगा कहाँ से basic से start करना है, and then
Right.
yeah, so it was like kind of like I was a little
So it's not really beginner friendly is what you're saying.
yeah, I would say so.
एंड वेल गेम्स की बात करते करते हमने ये देखा कि जैसे मुझे गेम्स खेलना पसंद है बट आई एम नॉट गुड एट इट सो ऑफ कोर्स थैंकफुली ही अग्री टू हेल्प मी आउट एंड सम डे वी वुड बी स्ट्रीमिंग टुगेदर सो इजंट दैट कूल सो वॉच दिस
मुझे उम्मीद है कि you know via this collaboration and many more in the future we can start playing a few games that both of us are sort of comfortable with and also that the the audience will kind of appreciate and
Yeah.
हम definitely try कर सकते हैं.
Absolutely. Because that's something I feel like is, I think one thing I really love to do apart from eating food.
And well, he did seem like a secretive person, but I think आप soon देख पाएंगे इस वीडियो को एंड हम काफ़ी कोलैब्स भी करेंगे फ्यूचर में सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड टू हिज चैनल एंड वेट फॉर अस टू डू अ स्ट्रीम टुगेदर नेक्स्ट टाइम सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड बाय बाय फॉर नाउ